iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns comprehensively defeating Stellenbosch. It wasn't really a contest. By halftime, we knew what time it was. By halftime, we knew exactly what we were seeing. So Vilakazi, our analyst,
kunjani mfethu? Bese ngibengicheka la ukuthi no bengicheka la ukuthi ngimisa kahle na yiyo le.
You remember you used to play there after you came back from Denmark. So every time maqala game bewuphakamisa 7.
Yeah, no, isani le yalezi ziyelo lezi yelo ile khalenhle and yenza kube kuhle nase ground ile. Ayi, mna phezulu. Manje la Pipitori manje bazokutshela manje angikhuleko yazi ngishilo ngathi mina the worst scenario at least mana ngifuna ukufika bo 4-5 so it's a right let's goal lesi ngoba you know when you play with youngsters and playing against abo Charlie abo Mukwena abo Mbule ilabantu labo bohlala babukela lapha so today unabo lapha ya. So sometimes usawona ukuthi uyomaka lapha ngoba phela yami adorize phela lo muntu lona so awufuna ukuthinta phela ufuna ukudlalela le kude kuleko good football game Sundowns as usually they dominate the game but ngithandile the respond yaga Steve Parker where he tried to play naye second half kube nama touches no shot umthethwa he had a shot on target. Look, this team it's going somewhere compared to the Stellenbosch that everyone knew Stellenbosch sinjani ama long ball akudlalwa yakuphushwana now there's direction, there's shape, kuyadlalwa, movement of the ball, movement with the ball, they move to the right areas, they play passes in the right areas, they're organized, you know, even when they, you know, Sundowns, yes, ibadlile Sundowns, but you could see ukuthi mababakora they were in good positioning, yeah, but just they do about Sundowns, they using pockets. So it is going to be always difficult, really, to track Sundowns players when you defending because they are very smart in getting to the pockets and their teammates also they know how to play those passes in those pockets. So yeah, seeing a new player at Sundowns, yeah. This team angaso yazi kule bengibone ibench lapha na extending lapha bangaphuma lapha ngene labana bafike bashaya nabo futhi usa ngabo Kaping ngabo Domingo kuleko when you go to tactics yeah no Sundowns is superior. Charlie has been controlling that midfield. This boy, I told Uchu this boy is gonna play. He's very smart. He's a hard-working player. He's a good passer. He doesn't just lose the ball, you know. So this boy doesn't disappoint me. And
which boy?
Umkwena. Yeah, I like him kakhulu. I used to watch them from Super Sport. Ba cool until under 20. So I know the boy. I know the boy what is that he can do. It's just a good manje naye uzoyenza inhliziyo yami ukuthi mele ngisike phakathi nendawo manje because I've got my other boy engimthandayo futhi laphana umkhulisi. So now he's playing umkhulisi, now he's not playing, so but yeah, it's good to see young boys playing. And Sundowns are giving them that opportunity. Mbule comes in, good touches as always. Now Masap Uriz just came in, Steve Vilakazi, and I was asking myself, why you answer half time once? Because you can see Sundowns they dominating. There's no way that really you can come back and equalize against Sundowns. So, but yeah, that was a good game.
Yeah, it was a very impressive performance for Mamelodi Sundowns. If you saw it, I was actually saying to the guys that actually there's not even a point to analyze this game. It's like he has analyzed on why. Like you can see, this one is a very, very better team than the other. But of course, a job has to be done. People were complaining. Maybe the last one from me to you. People were complaining when Sundowns drew 1-1 against Sekhukhune, people were really complaining, keeping in mind that Sundowns has already lost one game as well against the TS Galaxy. Fans were complaining, especially the Sundowns. Are they spoiled that they cannot accept that a team can draw sometimes?
No, they are not spoiled, Mr. Nkeu. You can't have such quality. And look, let's not take away that victory at TS Galaxy. They've worked for that. They deserve that 3 points. But when you look at Sundowns on paper and in the field of play, it's something that we cannot take it. Sundowns can't be with that material. Can't be, because what is that you'll be looking for to boost your team again when you're looking at in our league? They've got all the best players in the field of play. Ebejin, Grandstand. They've got top class players.
So they should win every game.
They have to. Mr. Nkeu, you can't have. I'm gonna say this now. You've got to Charlie. You've got Umkwena. You've got Umshish. That's top. You've got Umabuya, you've got Umkulisi, you've got Ulonduzana, Domingo. Top quality. You still have Ukapinga, Maema, Usano Londuzana, Rivaro Kuz, Usano. Mr. Nkeu, no ways. No. That's why when Sundowns lose or play a draw, it's like they just. The men's crime is serious, very serious crime, because they've got quality. So they must use that quality. They have to win all the games.
Right, there you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns. There's back-to-back matches. Of course, we have to cut some of these conversations short. On to Orlando Pirates now and Marumo Gallants. We hope you enjoyed this game. Always my concern is we need to see challenges. We need to see people being challenged. Otherwise, to see one team win every game all the time, I would never be able to do it. It's like you're just watching a movie that Chuck Norris, you're winning all the time. It's like Steven Seagal. Every movie, he doesn't die. It's like, what's the point? So we ask the PSL teams, please give them a challenge. Well done to Sekhukhune for giving a challenge, and TS Galaxy. You've shown what is possible. iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting.